Hello बच्चों, let's read the question. And the question here it is that Mendel law of segregation as applied to the behavior of chromosome in meiosis means that option A is pairing of homologs will convert one allele into the other and leading to the separation of the types. Option B is that alleles of a gene separate from each other when homologs separate in meiosis 1 or in meiosis 2 and if there is a single crossover between the gene and the centromere. Option B is genes on the same chromosome will show 50% recombination. So here it is 50%. Okay. Dollar sign is not there. Recombination. Alleles of a gene will be linked and passed on together through meiosis. So let's start here the question with the key concept. So अगर हम यहाँ पे key concept की बात करें तो we have to discuss about the Mendel law. You know that अगर हम बात करते हैं मेंडल के लॉ की, that Mendel law of segregation, ठीक है, अगर हम मेंडल लॉ सेग्रीगेशन की बात करते हैं, इट पर्टिकुलरली इंडिकेट करता है कि जो एलील होती है ऑफ अ जीन, दैट इज वेयर एलील ऑफ अ जीन इट सेपरेट फ्रॉम ईच अदर, दैट पर्टिकुलरली हियर इट कुड सेपरेट फ्रॉम ईच अदर. ओके. एंड व्हेन द होमोलॉग्स, अगर हम बात यहाँ पे करते हैं, जो होमोलॉग्स हैं दैट इज होमोलोगस क्रोमोसोम, जब ये सेपरेट होते हैं, when they separate in meiosis 1, or we could say that in meiosis 2 there is a single crossover. क्या होता है वहां पे? सिंगल crossover होता है, and that crossover here it is between the gene and centromere. जो होता है किसमें? जीन एंड सेंट्रोमियर. ठीक है. अगर हम बात करते हैं meiosis की, तो meiosis particularly क्या है? It is a type of cell division that particularly occurs during sexual reproduction. And this process helps to produce unique daughter cells. ये help करता है किस लिए? To produce unique daughter cells, which is the reason that why we have a unique DNA. Now Mendel law of segregation ये involve करता है that could be passing. ये pass क्या करता है? Random traits. That could be the random traits to the daughter. ठीक है, daughter cell में, by receiving one allele from each parent. By simply receiving one allele from each parent. ठीक है, हर एक पेरेंट से. Now the allele of genes in the homologs is separate, which give rise to homologs getting one allele only. So that's here option B. ये correct है कि allele of a gene separate from each other when homologous separate in meiosis 1 or in meiosis 2 and if there is a single crossover. Hope it is clear. All the best.